Which leather strop is actually worth your time and money? It's a simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 leather strops that can truly elevate your knife sharpening game. Product number 1: Intellitopia Knife Sharpening Set. First up is the Intellitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Stone Set, priced at just $29.98. Right off the bat, what caught my attention is that it comes with not just a leather strop but a full sharpening kit, which is pretty impressive for the price. If you want everything you need to get your blades sharp without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. So why does this set solve your problem? It features a dual-sided whetstone with grits of 400, 1000 and 3000, 8000, which means you can take a dull knife and bring it back to life in just a few minutes. The coarse side is perfect for initial sharpening, while the fine side polishes it to a mirror finish. Plus, the leather strop made from genuine cowhide helps remove the burr and gives your knife that razor-sharp edge. With over 6,800 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, this kit has been bought by more than 5,000 people just this past month, indicating it's a trusted choice. Now, some people complain that the instructions included could be clearer. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to do a little research, you'll find plenty of guides online to help you out. So it might not be a deal breaker for those who already have some experience with sharpening. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution for knife maintenance. Skip this one if you only need a standalone strop, because you'll get more than you bargained for here. Product number 2: Beavercraft Dual-Sided Strop. Next up is the Beavercraft Leather Strop for Knife Sharpening, priced at $21.99. What stood out to me is its dual-sided feature, which really enhances its value. If you want a straightforward, efficient way to keep your woodworking tools and knives razor-sharp, this deserves your attention. This strop is designed for both beginners and pros, featuring a comfortable ashwood handle that makes it easy to use. It comes with a polishing compound, so you can start sharpening right away. The dimensions of 14.6 inches long and 2 inches wide give you ample space to work with, ensuring effective stropping of various knives and tools. Plus, it holds a solid 4.6-star rating with over 2,200 reviews. That kind of feedback doesn't lie, people love this product. Now, a few users mentioned that the strop could be a bit too large for smaller knife blades. But honestly, I think the extra length offers more versatility for different knife sizes, making it easier to achieve that perfect edge. So it's really not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you frequently work with wood carving tools or need something easy to handle. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact option for portable use. Product number 3: Bocker Premium Leather Strop. Coming in at number 3 is the Bocker Premium Leather Strop, priced at $25.99. What grabbed my attention is that it's handcrafted in Poland from high-quality vegetable leather. If you want something that combines craftsmanship and effectiveness, this is definitely worth considering. This strop features a double-sided design, offering both smooth and rough leather, giving you options depending on your sharpening needs. The included special honing compounds are a nice touch, allowing you to customize your sharpening routine. With a 4.7-star rating from about 3,700 reviews, it's clear that customers trust it. However, some people did mention that the leather can wear out over time if not maintained properly. But here's the thing, if you take care of it and condition it regularly, you can extend its lifespan significantly. It's not a huge issue as long as you're committed to maintaining your tools. This is perfect for you if you appreciate handcrafted quality and need a versatile strop. Skip this if you want something that requires zero maintenance, as this one needs some love. Product number 4: Beavercraft Stropping Leather Strop. At number 4, we have the Beavercraft Stropping Leather Strop, priced at just $8.99. Honestly, I was surprised to see such a good product at this price point. If you're on a tight budget but still want an effective sharpening tool, look no further. This strop measures 7.87 inches long and features both a smooth side for polishing with compound and a rough side for general stropping. The compact size makes it perfect for taking on the go, so you can sharpen anywhere, whether at home or out in the woods. With a 4.5-star rating and 3,600 reviews, it's clear that many people find it reliable and functional. Some users did mention that it might not be as durable as other pricier options. But honestly, at this price, it's hard to complain. If you're just starting out or need a portable strop, this could be the perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and portable option. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty strop that will last for years. Product number 5, Hutzel's Brown Leather Strop. Last but not least is the Hutzel's Brown Leather Strop, priced at $9.99. What caught my eye is its vegetable tan leather and the fact that it includes a honing guide. If you want something that's user-friendly, especially if you're a beginner, this one is definitely worth checking out. This strop is 8 inches long and 3 inches wide, giving you a nice surface area to work with. The two-sided design lets you choose between a smooth and rough surface, which adds versatility. The inclusion of a green honing compound is a huge plus, making it easier to restore your blades quickly. With a 4.6-star rating from about 2,800 reviews, it's definitely a solid option. One downside is that some users felt it could have been a bit thicker for more durability. But honestly, if you're careful with your tools, it should serve you well for a good while. It's more about how you use it than the thickness. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into knife sharpening and want an easy-to-use option. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty strop for professional use. So to recap, we've looked at the Intellitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Set, the Beavercraft Dual-Sided Strop, the Bacher Premium Leather Strop, the Beavercraft Stropping Leather Strop, and finally the Hutzel's Brown Leather Strop. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for craftsmanship, affordability, or versatility. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and you'll be on your way to keeping your knives in top shape.